non-stop rider, I ride alone. If you test me, I'll fuck off that honeycomb. I'm a non-stop rider, I ride alone. If you test me, I'll fuck off that honeycomb.
I was born Capricorn, just a rose with a thorn. On the 3rd of the month was the day I was born. Not knowing what awaits me and all the things that make me. They haunt me in my dreams, but I haven't seen them lately. My soul is lonesome, pensamientos frozen. My heart is broken, so I'm sipping on this potion. Hey, notice this, I'm coming with some potent shit. Son mal ejemplo, homie, cause I'm fucking poisonous. I'm troublesome, un vago desde chavo.